the most useful product I found on Meesho. Are you interested? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch very good videos and offers. As you see in the video, these are some slips and tops we have ordered on Meesho, and 3 sets cost just 200 rupees. And you have got an offer also. You can check out. As you see in the picture, these are adjustable straps for an optimal fit, and you can check out the product in the description box because this is good quality product which comes with an offer. And you see here, I'm showing how the cloth is. It's stretchable and different sizes are available, and it's suitable for laying under your outfits. Of course, you all know these are innerwear, right? But this product is innerwear and a perfect outfit as well. As you see in the picture, this is one of the types of camisole or innerwear. It serves dual purposes. As shown in the picture, you can check out the product in the description box. I'll provide the link if you want to buy, right? This is how the product is. As you see in the picture, it is attached with lace and buttons are given. I'm showing here how you've got to use the product, and these are mostly used when dresses have deep necks and you feel embarrassing, right, when you go out with deep necks. So this kind of innerwear serves the purpose. This is the perfect innerwear when you have revealing dresses, and it's just simple and easy. When you wear your inner, you wear or button up as shown in the picture with the adjustable straps. So this is how it looks. It's pretty beautiful, right? It's aesthetically beautiful and matches your outfit and brings a look to your outfit or dresses or kurtis or kurtas, whatever you wear. And you have different colors as well as shown in the picture. This is pack of 4 sets. And now we'll see how you can wear with your dress. We'll just go for it. It takes only 2 minutes of time. See, this kind of dresses, when you have deep neck, it's a bit embarrassing, right? So you can put it or layer it under your dress as shown in the picture. It's simply superb, right? If you love the product, you can check the link in the description box, and we'll see how it looks actually in real when you wear it, right? This is how it looks before and after. Images are given. You can check out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Do subscribe.